Hey guys, it's Dan from Seeking Tiki, and I'm back this week with episode 2 of my RV cooking show. This week we're going to be making burgers from Father's office in LA. So right now I'm starting out my bacon onion jam. Right now we're crisping up a couple slices of bacon. And we're going to be adding a few onions here, and we're just going to be caramelizing everything for about 45 minutes, an hour, or until everything becomes nice and caramelized. And this is super easy to make. It might seem complicated, but it's really just cooking onions under low temperatures for about 45 minutes, an hour, until everything becomes nice and caramelized. The secret is just super low temperatures, which is pretty easy to get on an RV range. Right here, everything is coming along nicely. Everything is super brown and caramelized, and we're gonna be ready to go in no time. Make some tater tots real quick. It's simply just some frozen tater tots and a little bit of butter. And they'll be done in about 10 to 15 minutes. And I actually like to keep the tater tots warm in the microwave until I'm ready to plate everything. Although I'm not cooking anything in the microwave is a super small enclosed space that's super easy to keep things warm in. All right, I'm throwing my hamburger patties down on the frying pan, pressing them down to get a really good sear on both sides. And today we're going to be using some white sharp cheddar. Put it on, put the lid on, and let everything melt for a few minutes. And here we go. And at this point, everything is ready to go. I'm going to be taking off the burgers, putting them on the sandwich roll, which is how they do it at Father's office. Put my caramelized onion and bacon jam on, and we're going to be topping everything off with actually a ton of arugula lettuce. Yes, this is a super easy burger. I just have my caramelized onion jam, a ton of arugula, and here we go. All right, recap. We got bacon. Add in your onion, meat, cheese. Toast up your rolls. Plate everything up. Top it with arugula, your onion bacon jam. And you are ready to go. Enjoy, guys.